Hey everyone, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll go over business credit cards and how I was able and still able to use them to really leverage other people or the credit card companies' money to protect myself, to gain points, many other benefits that I'm going to share in the video. Now, before I'm moving into the video, I would really like to thank everyone that liked the previous videos, subscribed to the channel, and really helping me grow this channel and help other people. So thank you for that. Now, if you would like to get info or videos and updates related to Amazon FBA and e-commerce in general, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and that you click the bell so you get yourself up to date with notifications. And let's start with this awesome topic: business credit cards, how I use them and how you can use them as well. Okay, so why using credit cards? So first of all, if managed well and with care, and it's something that I really must explain further before we continue. When you use credit cards, you really have to be very careful. You know, when I was growing up, my parents told me never use debt, never use credit cards. They're really old-fashioned people, and the way that they were, growing up is to really not owe anything to anyone because you never knew if you could return it back. So if you decide to take that with credit cards, make sure that you have something else tangible to back it up in case for some reason you can't make the payment. So I always like to have some money that is invested somewhere that I can take real quick in case something happen, in case I need to pay those credit card bills. So you really have to do it smart and really organized. And if you have a lot of credit cards like I have, this is just a couple of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have another like 5 or 6 credit cards that I have in my wallet. But you really have to manage it carefully, knowing exactly what is the due date for each card, keeping a track of everything. So this is a big deal. So it's not just enjoying this, there is a risk also when you deal with credit cards. So you can use credit cards to find your inventory, especially with Amazon. That's what I do before. At any given point at the year, I use credit cards to really buy more inventory. I do also use some payment terms with suppliers to help me finance more inventory. But in order to get there, you first need to build relationship with the suppliers. But really funding your inventory in business and expenses with $0 or 0% interest. Okay. So that's really the big deal out of it. I was able to, I remember the first year I was selling on Amazon, I took like 60 or $50,000 in debt with credit cards, and I was like super scared and okay, what am I doing? It is like safe, but in life, with every risk or every challenge that you have, I like to really sit with myself, put all the scenarios on paper, really ask myself, okay, what happened if I can't make those payments? So you always really have to get some calculated risks in life. You can really leverage credit card offers that give you the 12%, the 12 months 0% APR, which is amazing. So if you ask me, I will give a recommendation to open credit card with American Express because they give, if I'm not wrong, 15 months of 0% APR. That means that you pay nothing, no interest, if you just meet your minimum payments, of course, for the remaining balance. And I'll give you an example. So right now, let me exit this one. The total balance I owe American Express is 54,000 and almost 50, let's say 54,000. Okay, so that means that my minimum payment due is 14,000 by April 8th. So if I pay the 14,000, not if, I will pay this 14,000, but for the 40,000 remaining, I'm paying 0% interest. Okay, that's crazy. People sometimes underestimate the power of credit cards. If you take a loan from Amazon, and let me share with you, if I'm not wrong, they offered me like 220,000 the other day. Oh, it doesn't show here anymore. But they offered me $220,000 loan with 10% interest annually. which is not that crazy. It's not that great, but it's good. But 10% on 202 by 10, or by, that's like $22,000 that you can use for inventory. But if you don't manage this well, and or after the 12 or 14 or 15 months that passed with the 0% interest pass, and you don't pay it in full, then you can pay very high fees. I think like 20% sometimes. So a month, or maybe annually, I'm not sure, but it's pretty high. So you want to really use and leverage those credit card offers that give you the 12%, the 12 months 0% API, because this is really amazing. You enjoy all these points, so I can share that I I'm using those points to really live. Like, I'm a big fan of Amazon, obviously, so I order all the time like Amazon gift cards, and I'll share with you. So here I have 130,000 points. Here I have like 220,000, 230, let's 235. Here I have another 99 with Capital One, and here I have with another card that I have another 127 point. So roughly I have like 250, like 600, 700,000 points. Now, those, and you need to understand that I'm like every week or 2 weeks order another, like using 60 or 70,000 points. I order $600 gift cards on Amazon. So basically you can redeem it. I'll show you. This is for Chase. You just go here. Let's use this one. And you can go here and click on redeem, like gift card, and Amazon, and you buy like 600 $600 worth of Amazon gift card for 60,000 points. So this is really amazing. I really like shop on Amazon for everything, because it's kind of it's not free, because when you buy with credit card, sometimes you pay some fees, extra fees. And I'll show you also like a trick how to get more points with like for free. So by default, when you use Amazon PPC, you the money is taken, and I'll show you, the money is taken out from your account from the balance that you have. This balance, right now the balance here at 66,000, but usually so this is by default being taken from the balance. But this is not good for you, because if you can make the expenses of your Amazon advertisement from your credit cards, which going to be the same charge, then for every dollar you spend, you can get like 2 points. So I spend a lot on PPC, like $2,000 a day. So $60,000 a month. It's $120,000, 120,000 points, that I got for free. That under 120,000 points, it's $1,200 that you get, kind of small tweak. Now on my account currently, as you can see, the cost of campaigns will be deducted for your Amazon seller account. So it's currently not on the credit cards, because I'm limited. I'm kind of maxed out with my credit card expenses lately. So I don't use it. But once I have opportunity, definitely I'm turning this on. It's 3 points that you get, okay? So that's one trick to get more points, and really how you can use them. For example, when we moved the new house, I got like $2,000 worth of gift cards from Home Goods, and we went to Home Goods and we bought all this stuff. Another reason why you want to use credit cards in your business and leverage them is the protection that it gives you. When you pay supplier, for example, with, I don't know, like a $20,000 order, and you pay him with wire transfer, you have no leverage on him, because once the money is being transferred to him, that's it. There is no way back. You can't get your money back. But if you pay with credit card through Alibaba, which I do for all my orders, first of all, you get the points. Yes, you actually pay a little extra, not a little, like I think 2 or 3.5% extra, because you pay with credit card, but it gives you this protection. So it gives you protection and points, and the other end you lose with the money for the fees. So if you ask me, I still prefer to pay the fees and have that protection, that in case something goes wrong and it's a scam, or I don't know what's going on, I can call my credit card and tell them, please dispute this charge, or talk with Alibaba. But if you pay with credit, with the wire transfer, the money is lost. You have no leverage on them. And the last and final thing is you build your credit. When you have all these credit cards and all these expenses to your business, you'll start getting all these offers. Like I getting like every day like this, earn $100,000 points. This is a new letter I just got. It's funny. I just make this video. I wasn't really prepared for this. Here is another one. I didn't even open it from the garbage. 80,000 points. So, uh, and when you know that you build your credit, when you get more and more offers like that, that means that they know they do like soft checks on you, and they know that you pay it on time, and you have big credit line, and it helps you build your credit. So it's a great thing. um that's it pretty much. That's how I use business cards. I hope you learned how I use them, and it will give you inspiration and motivation, or help somehow to use credit cards in a better way, and leverage it to grow your business, and enjoy the benefits of it, like points, building your credit, and everything that I mentioned in the video. Please again, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And if you can share this video, it would be great. Sharing is caring. See you next time.